So if you're satisfied with your page as I am now, and you want to make elements of the page active that are inactive like these, the next step in the creation of our page is to click Save in the upper right hand corner. So we'll click on that, and now having clicked Save, you can see that all of our changes have been transferred to the page where earlier there was only a blank space. You might also notice that the page is not visible to internet guests. That means that you can see it, but visitors to the site cannot. Traditional users do not actually have the option to make a page visible or have it go live, as it's called, without the approval of the marketing department. So the next very important feature we're going to cover is the option to add a new page. Everyone has this option. It allows us to create an infinite network of subpages in the side navigation of our original page. So we'll click Add a New Page to Side Navigation. And what you'll see here is that all pages are created equal. Just because this is a subpage does not mean that you need to approach it any differently. As always, the first thing to do is to add a title to your page. And this is how the page will appear in the side navigation of the original page. And then you can write whatever you want in the body of the page here, which we won't do because we've already covered all that. So click Save to officially create the page. And as I predicted, it now appears in the side navigation. You'll notice that you can view the entire family tree just above the page you're currently on. So let's go back to the principal page here. You'll see all the constituent pages below it. So while the Add a New Page link allowed us to create a CMS page, we also have the option to add a new link to side navigation, meaning we can link to a page that already exists from the sidebar. This window should appear when you click on that, and just like when we added a hyperlink to the body of our text, the first step is to simply find the URL of the page to which we're linking. Copy it, and paste it into our link add window. Next, we want to title it using no more than a few words for the side navigation. Choose New Window because we're linking to a page outside of the MxCC website. Check Visible and click Add. You should now see the page in the side navigation where it will take users directly to that website. Could be useful for research, independent websites, etc. So we'll head back to the main page now. And I finally just want to introduce a useful method for adding personal flair to your site within the confines of CMS. This process involves designing a poster or brochure or any kind of image in any design program you want and importing it to CMS as a JPEG. So we'll start by adding a new page here and then inserting an image like we did before. Again, in order to find an image from your hard drive in our repository of images, you'll need to first send it to the marketing department, who will ascertain whether it's suitable and legal, and if so, it will be added to this list, just like our computer club's recycling events poster was added to the list, and then all that's left is to insert the image. Now you can resize it once it's on the page. And you'll see here that this is just a slightly more interesting page than CMS typically allows for, but still does not violate any stylistic or legal expectations that we have of our site. So we will add a title, and there you have it. Again, we hope and expect that this method will be used sparingly and responsibly. So the very last thing I want to call attention to is the sort pages function. This allows you to rearrange or arrange the order of the pages in your side navigation. You have to first be at the original, the primary page to do this, and then you'll click on Sort Pages. And then arrange them in whatever order you choose.